This will take me to something else. See here. The pricing of Tableau Expert ranges from 393 to 420. This is the highest one. And the simple one. For users who need individual creator licenses, the prices ranges from rupees 70 to $98. That is for individual users. Now, if I go with the Power BI license, the pricing, individual license, see, user per month, how much is this?
$10.
Tell me which is better.
Power BI.
Power BI. That is one major reason why people are shifting to Power BI. Where
Cost.
is $70 and where is $10?
Right.
Vast difference, right?